Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn to use the N formula. The N formula converts non-number values to a number, dates to serial numbers, true to 1 and anything else to 0. So how do we use it? Well, we just type in N and select the number or the value which we want to convert. So like I selected this, it has been converted to 1. Now over here I have written 3.5 using the fraction system. So if I use the N formula and convert it, it will become 3.5. 3.5 will become 3.5. 4.50% will become 0.0045%. And this date, 23rd September 1978, will turn to 28756. True will become 1. False will become 0. Anything else, like I said, would become 0. Even a space, an empty cell would be a 0. So this is the N formula in Excel. It's best used in combination with other formulas which you may use when you are doing the advanced Excel course. See you in the next video.